Welcome to this video on the importance of IV rank.
Mary, I just heard someone say that knowing the implied volatility of a stock is not enough. How is that possible?
Let me explain with an example. Let's take two stocks, Apple and Tesla. The implied volatility is shown in the table on the screen. Which stock has higher IV and will be good for setting up a short straddle?
Obviously, Tesla, since it has a higher IV, and thus, people will pay more premium.
Let me add some more information here, concerning the range of IV values in the past year. Now tell me, which asset has a higher IV?
Oh, it should be Apple because its IV is currently on the higher side in comparison to the past year. So people are paying a higher premium for Apple now than in the past year. In comparison, Tesla's IV is on the lower side in comparison to the past year, and hence people are paying a lower premium for Tesla now than in the past year.
Correct. And this is where IV rank can help you. IV rank tells you where the asset's IV is relative to its range over the past year.